Hey everybody, we're back with another Tech Tip Tuesday. And today I wanted to talk about swing arms, and particularly the 09 and up swing arm, the factory swing arm versus the HHI Dominator. Now before I get started, I want to talk to you guys about something way off subject. You guys probably all watch and see how I like the nice clean shop and equipment and all that, but I'm sitting in front of this beat up, dirty lift. Well, this lift is kind of special to me. This is the very first lift I ever bought over 20 years ago. When I started this business, I had nothing. I had to borrow money, $5,000 from my dad, and my stepdad let me start working out of his automotive shop. So I literally started with less than zero when I got it going. So this lift here over the years has seen so many bikes and projects on it. It's all beat up, but it's very special to me. And that's kind of why I like to use it in the YouTube videos. So today I thought, hey, let's sit next to this lift with these swing arms because we needed a little bit bigger spot to show you what's going on. So back to the swing arms. As you all know, this is an 09 and up factory swing arm. They're still using it today, a couple different axle upgrades or whatever throughout the years, minor stuff. But the point is, here's a stock one, here's the aluminum one. I get questions all the time about why would I change this or what's better about it. And there's really a lot of cool features. So in order to be prepared for you, I have a little cheat sheet because again, when you're sitting on camera, sometimes it's hard to remember everything you gotta say. Well, let's start out by the number one question that we get. How much lighter is it? Okay, the stock swing arm, well, the claim is 20% lighter, but I'm gonna give you the actual weight. I weighed this as it is sitting here, right here with the axle. I weighed this swing arm sitting here as it is with the axle and all the components. As this is, 24 pounds. As this is, 18 pounds, 10 ounces. So what are we saving there? 5 pounds, almost 5.5 pounds, if my quick math is correct. Now that's with bearings and everything installed. So yeah, that's 20% weight savings. So first of all, it's lighter. Why is lighter better? Well, it's the unsprung weight. So having a lighter swing arm is going to help with the motion of your wheel as it goes up and down, working with your suspension. The lighter the components, the better it is, okay? So again, that's a very vague, simple explanation, but lighter is better in this case. Okay, so this is made out of 6061 billet aluminum. It's a very attractive swing arm. I mean, for nothing else other than it looks so awesome. I mean, I would bolt it on my bike because it's so freaking cool, right? Some other features about this. This is a 3-piece swing arm. The reason it's 3 pieces, Nick will get in here with the video later. You can see, he'll show you, but you have your 2 side pieces and your centerpiece. Why do we do that? Because if you were to machine this out of one big block of aluminum, none of you guys would buy it because it would be too expensive. We'd be wasting more than we would be using in the end. So it's a 3-piece design, and it's bolted together up front here with 12-point ARP fasteners. And for the record, it isn't just a square piece and a flat piece bolted up against it. They have a massive interlocking high-strength key feature here. So that's technical mumbo jumbo for it has to slide together perfectly. It's like if a bolt fell out, it's not just gonna fall apart, it's interlocking, okay? Not that the bolt's gonna fall out, but also this swing arm on your 09 and up at least will accommodate from a 10-inch to a 15-inch shock, okay? Your axle adjustment here, the slot for adjusting, which is a huge feature. Over here we have this cam style adjustment, and all you guys know that this is really hard to set precisely, And if you're building big power, it has a tendency to rotate and loosen your belt or your chain. So the fact that you can adjust this precisely right here is a big key feature, and you have 2 inches of axle travel. So for some of you guys that want to run a bigger sprocket or a smaller sprocket, you have a lot of room to move it back and forth. Or if you're in competition and you want to shorten that wheelbase up, you can do it, or lengthen it for a long track or something. But the point is, there's a lot of adjustability here. Also on the inside of this swing arm here, this is an all aluminum swing arm, but we have axle protector plates on the inside of it. Now, I think this is really cool because if you're changing tires a lot or whatever, there's a tendency for the aluminum to gall, or because aluminum is softer, right? So when you're cranking things down on it, you end up where over time, the aluminum just gets damaged a little bit, right? So that might not want to adjust precisely, or you might not be able to get your spacers in and out as nicely as you should. So these protector plates in here, which are interchangeable, they protect that. So it's gonna work for a long time so for you guys that do burnouts or stunting or racing or whatever it is, and you're putting wheels on and off all the time, changing tires all the time, this is your swing arm. If you were to put this on a stock bike with stock suspension or whatever, it'll go from stock height up to a 1/2 inch taller with the different mounting locations here. So if you want to jack it up, you're gonna have to buy taller shocks. If you want to lower your bike, it'll take a short shock. And you can put it on the back mount. So you just got to make sure everything clears. We also have a hollow chrome moly axle here. And this is lightweight and strong, precision made, heat treated, medium carbon steel alloy. To get technical, I'm trying not to be technical. The axle is precision machined and nickel plated for a lot of durability. Your axle nuts are 36 millimeters, so that is the same. This will accept 2000 and up stock brake mounts, but again, today's comparison is 09 and up. So the point of the matter is, your stock brakes can go on there, or you can upgrade to one of our awesome brake packages at Nowaski.com. So that is kind of a quick highlight list, but I hope that covers some of the questions we have. I tell you what, we sell a lot of these swing arms. The price is right, the quality is good. It's just got a lot of features that we really like it here at Nowaski, and I'm not gonna lie, this is our favorite swing arm. So it's available in raw machined, anodized black, anodized gold. We have a chrome version coming real soon if they're not sitting here already. So a lot of different options for you guys to trick out your bike and not only make it look good, but there's a lot of really good features here if you're doing modifications for suspension heights and all that stuff. So for today, for our Tech Tip Tuesday, this is swing arms. Our Nowaski favorite, HHI Dominator versus stock. In my opinion, there really is no comparison. For the money, I would get one of these on your bike. So I'm Pete Nowaski. This is Tech Tip Tuesday. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow our YouTube channel, check out our socials, and let us know what you think in the comments.